Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I have another exercise for you. The name of the exercise is Final Velocity. So write a program that asks the user to enter the initial velocity and acceleration of an object and the time that has elapsed. Place them in the variables u, a, and t and print the final velocity v and distance traversed s using the following equations. Now let's go and solve this problem. First, I want to add my preprocessor directive and main function. Now I want to define my variables u, a, and t, which is u is for initial velocity, a is for acceleration, and t is for time. Now let's go and create our prompt, our messages to the user. I've created my prompt, please enter the initial velocity, and then I will store that velocity into the u variable using scanf. And now I want to copy and do the same thing for a, for acceleration and time. Now that I've created my prompts, let's go and define our variables for final velocity and the distance traversed. I have created the initial velocity formula and assigned that formula to the v variable. And the s variable will cover the distance traversed, and I have done the calculations based on the formula provided. Now I want to create my final prompts for the user to print the final velocity and the distance traversed. That's it. I have created the final messages for the user as well using printf. And now let's go and save this program. Now let's go and run this program. As you can see, I've done a mistake. I have not added the statement terminators for these two statements. I need to add them. Now let's go and execute. That's it. Enter the initial velocity. The initial velocity's unit is meter per second, so 10 meter per second. The acceleration is 5 meter per second square, and the time elapsed is 100 seconds. Okay, we've done a mistake. Let's go and see what is our mistake. You can see that I have done a mistake in here. Instead of t, I have written u. So now let's go and make it correct. T. And now run it once again. Let's go and set the initial velocity to 10 meter per second, acceleration 5 meter per second square, and the time elapsed 100 seconds. You can see that we got the results. The final velocity is this and the distance transferred is this value. That's it for this episode. See you in the next episode.